Caitlyn?
Caterpillar.
Yeah?
Ken has a red caterpillar. Ken has a red caterpillar.
You have a red caterpillar?
I have a red caterpillar.
What color is this caterpillar?
Yellow.
Yeah?
Yellow and soft.
It's yellow and soft. It looks like it might be soft.
It's coming down, down, down.
Do you like the yellow caterpillar?
Yes. Whoa. More yellow caterpillars.
You know what happens to the caterpillar when it gets older? Someday it's going to be a butterfly. What do you think of that?
See what happens. Whoa. Where is it?
Well, it might have disappeared.
What to go pussy up down? What to go pussy up down?
Oh!
Okay, we gotta be good.
Alright, which way do we go?
This way.
Are you excited?
That was fun.
That was fun.
Chasing boats.
Oh, you see the flood?
Whoa, her Caitlyn.
Yeah, it won't hurt Caitlyn.
She's very nice. Very nice.